Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you a simple trading method that you can easily use. First of all, let me show you my account. This is my real account, and you can see my current balance here. As you can see, the EUR-USD currency pair is already selected, and we have also applied the parabolic SAR indicator on the chart. Now we will set the trade time. Here I am setting the time to 5 minutes. Next, we will set the trade amount. Here I am placing a trade with $150. Now we will analyze the chart and place our trade. From here, we can click the buy or sell button. As you can see, our trade has been placed. Now we will wait for the result. Now I'm going to explain what the parabolic SAR indicator is and how you can use it in trading. This is parabolic SAR indicator. It appears on the chart as small dots and helps traders identify buy and sell signals. These dots move either above or below the price depending on the market trend. When the dots appear below the price, it usually means the market is in an uptrend. In this situation, many traders look for buying opportunities. When the dots move above the price, it indicates a possible downtrend. This is often considered a sell signal by traders. For example, here we can see Apple stock in a strong uptrend. Notice how the dots stay below the price for a long. This indicates a strong upward trend in the market. Here we can see some example trending opportunities. A trader could buy around $56 and sell near $65. Later, another opportunity appeared to buy near $67 and sell near $79. These trades could result in a total profit of about $21 per share. However, the parabolic SAR works best in trending markets. When the market moves sideways, the indicator can produce many false signals. That's why traders often combine it with other indicators. So as you can see, the trade moved in our direction, and we were able to close it in profit. This is a simple example of how the parabolic SAR indicator can help identify market direction. Now let's move to another example. Now I'll show you another trading situation. Using a different indicator, this time we'll look at the AUD-USD chart and see how another indicator can help us find a trading opportunity. Let's analyze the market and see what the indicator is telling us. Now let's see what signal the indicator gives us on this chart. As you can see, our second trade is also a win. This trade was taken on the AUD-USD pair, and the market moved in our favor. If we look at the balance, we started with around 150, and now our balance has increased to about 288. And if you look carefully at the chart, you can see that the signal stayed above the price and did not move below, which confirmed our trade. If you also want VIP trading signals like this, you can join my Telegram channel. The VIP group link is available in my bio. So just click the link and join my Telegram. I hope this video helped you understand the strategy. Follow for more simple trading lessons.